Wow! Today's the weekend, and the cute kitten is happily visiting the zoo.
Wow, it's a crocodile.
Oh no! The kitten saw Capybara riding on the crocodile's back, so he also intended to do the same.
Crocodile attacked someone.
Wow! The kind capybara quickly came to help the kitten and called for rescue.
Hey, hey, send an ambulance immediately.
That's so great! The kind doctors helped the kitten get well again. Wow! Since then, the kitten and capybara have become good friends.
Yeah, let's go to school.
The kitten was having fun on the way to school when she saw an ice cream truck on the side of the road.
Hey, Kitten, I'll give you this ice cream.
Oh no! The evil wolf put poison in the ice cream and gave it to the kitten. The kitten sat in class attentively listening to her lecture, but her stomach suddenly hurt and she vomited violently.
What's wrong, kitten?
The teacher called an ambulance immediately. Oh my God! The kitten was taken to the hospital by ambulance and had to be admitted to the emergency room because of poisoning. The kind doctors tried to get all the blue cream out of the kitten's belly. Wow! The kitten is healthy again and calls the police to make the evil mouse pay for his actions.
Oh no, I'm innocent.
Bye-bye, son.
Bye-bye, Dad.
The kitten loves to go to school, but his friends make fun of him because he is poor.
Hello, friends.
And here is a cat dad who has to pick up things others throw away, but still tries to send his kitten to school. Wow! So Dad Cat has come up with a way to buy lottery tickets to get rich quickly.
Yeah, I really won the lottery. Wow, so much money.
Although the father cat won the lottery, the kitten is still bullied by his friends at school.
Hey, son. The father cat also took the kitten to buy a lot of beautiful clothes, making the kitten very happy.
The house is so beautiful, Dad.
Wow, the kitten is getting ready to go to school in the luxury car that Dad just bought.
Yeah.
The kitten has become more confident and has made many friends who greeted it at school.
Hello, friends.
cat and her kittens are royal family and live very happily together in a beautiful palace-like house.
It's so beautiful at night, Mom.
Oh no! Mother cat and kittens woke up because of the loud thunder outside.
Mom!
Oh my God! The storm was so strong that it sucked the mother cat and kittens out of the castle.
Mom!
The mother cat pushed her kitten into a safe place while she clung to the fence. Someone save me! Oh no! While clinging to the fence, the mother cat was hit by a large tree. Since losing his mother, the kitten has been very miserable. He is alone and living on the streets.
Mom! I miss you, Mom.
The kitten was very hungry, so he decided to take the fish from the market and run away. At this moment, a kind cat held the kitten's hand and helped the kitten escape. From then on, the kind cat adopted the kitten. Together, they worked hard to grow vegetables and sell them at the market, living a very happy life. The cat couple was happily dancing when suddenly the husband cat intentionally pushed the wife cat into the sea.
Mom!
Your mom slipped, son.
Oh no! The wife cat just passed away and the husband cat has brought a black cat home.
I will take revenge.
Oh no! As soon as the father cat went to work, the stepmother started making the kitten work very hard and even beat the kitten.
Stepmother hit me. Police!
Wow! The police quickly came to the house after hearing the kitten call to report being beaten by her stepmother.
Police here.
Oh no! Oh my God! The stepmother locked the kitten in the room to hide it when the police came.
Ma'am, a child called us here.
There are no children here, sir.
Oh no! The police believed the stepmother's words and left.
Please forgive me.
Since then, the kitten has been determined to study well and trained to become a good police officer. 10 years later, the kitten actually became a police officer, and he set out to find his mother again.
Hi, it's Mommy Kitten.
Yeah. I miss you, Mom.
The mother cat has returned, making the husband cat and the black cat very angry. The kitten even gave evidence of her stepmother's infidelity. Finally, the cat husband and stepmother received the consequences for their actions.
Help! There's a burglar in my house!
Mom!
It's so warm when the kitten are playing outside, and the mother cat is also happily preparing dinner in the kitchen. While everyone was sleeping soundly, this evil black cat climbed the window and broke into the kitten house. Oh no! The cunning black cat started walking around the house to flood things.
Oh,
the vase breaking was so loud that the mother cat woke up and went out to check.
Help! There's a burglar in my house!
Oh no! The black cat committed a crime and then casually walked out of the house.
Mom! I will take revenge.
Since then, the kitten has been determined to study and practice hard to become a good police officer to avenge his mother. Wow! 20 years later, the kitten actually became a police officer like his dream. The evil black cat appears again, and this time he's robbing a supermarket.
Hey, police! There's a robbery!
Calm down, I'll be there right away.
Oh no, please forgive me.
In the end, it was the policewoman who made the evil black cat pay for her actions.
Eggs are so fragrant, Mom.
Come out for breakfast, kitten. The kitten ate breakfast very well, so his mother let him go to the amusement park.
Yeah. Let's go play.
Wow, it's wonderful! The mother cat bought tickets for the kittens to play many fun games.
It's so fun, Mom.
Oh no! When the kitten got bored playing, he asked his mother to let him ride the roller coaster.
No way, kitten. This game is very dangerous.
Oh my god! Taking advantage of the mother cat's time to buy food, the kitten sneaked out to ride the roller coaster. Oh no! Kitten! The mother cat threw away the cotton candy and ran quickly to stop the kitten. Stop now!
Oh no, Mom!
Oh my god, my child! The roller coaster failed and shattered, causing the poor kitten to fall to the ground.
Send an ambulance, now!
The kind doctors are trying their best, and the mother cat is outside collapsing from worry about her kitten.
Congratulations! The kitten has woken up.
Wow! All friends and relatives were at the church to attend the cat couple's wedding. The cat and his wife have been very happy since they got married. Even happier when the cat's wife announced that she was pregnant.
What did your wife just say?
From then on, the wife cat only stayed at home to take care of the pregnancy, while the husband cat worked hard at the company.
I'm coming home right away.
The husband cat quickly returned home and took his wife to the hospital to give birth.
about the husband cat.
Hi, honey.
Husband! That's so great! The cat family happily returned home safely. Hello, family! Wow! The husband's cat's black cat secretary also came to congratulate the cat couple. I miss you so much. The husband cat quickly ended things with the black cat, but the white cat saw everything.
Yeah. Huh?
Oh my God! My child!
Mom! Wow! It's snowing! Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, my love. The kitten was so happy when he saw the snow falling that he immediately asked his mother to let him go to the ski resort.
Yeah.
The mother cat and her kitten were very excited when they arrived at the ski resort and started playing happily in the snow.
Yeah.
Have fun, my love.
Huh? Wow!
The kitten was very excited when it saw everyone skiing and immediately asked its mother to let it ski too.
Okay, daughter, but be careful.
Yeah. Huh? Mom, save me!
Oh my God, my daughter!
Mom!
The mother cat quickly took the kitten to the ambulance and took her to the hospital. This morning, the weather was beautiful, and the mother cat decided to take her kitten for a stroll in the streets.
I want to go to the market.
Oh no! Two evil black cats have targeted and chased the kitten.
Huh? Mom, save me!
The mother cat saw and tried her best to chase the kitten. Oh my God, my child! Release my child now! Oh no! The mother cat drove very fast to chase her kittens, so she crashed into a car. The evil black cat has received the consequences for his actions.
Huh? Mom!
Fortunately, the mother cat finally woke up and continued to have fun with her kitten.
Mom!
Have dinner, my two children.
Okay, Mom.
The mother cat fed the two kittens dinner and then took them both to the bedroom before returning to her room.
Good night, Mom.
Oh no! As soon as the mother cat fell asleep, her two kittens ran out to take the car keys. sisters were still happily driving on the road, not knowing that they were running at very high speed. Soon, many people around came to help the two kittens.
Little kitty, wake up! Uncle, please call my mother.
The mother cat was very shocked when she heard the news and immediately ran to the scene.
I truly apologize, Mom.
Oh my God! My daughter!
Oh no! The mother cat holds the kitten in her arms with unrelenting pain. Parents need to be very careful to keep the car keys in a place where children cannot easily take them away.
Oh, no.
Today is a beautiful day, so the mother cat happily took her kittens to the suburbs to play. Wait for Mom to buy water, kitten.
Goodbye, Mom. Oh, no.
Oh no! The kitten thought Mom's car was like its toy car, so it tried to drive it. Oh my God! My child! Poor kitten. It lies unconscious in the ruined car. Please save my child. Although the mother cat carried the kitten to the hospital very quickly, unfortunately, it did not survive. Parents, please be very careful. Do not leave children alone in the car. Prevention is better than regretting it later. The mother cat and her kitten are happily preparing to get in the car to go to the black cat's house to play.
Hello, Black Cat.
Hello, friend and son.
The white cat and the black cat talked happily after seeing each other for a long time, and the kitten already liked the helicopter. The orange cat was very surprised to see the kitten flying a helicopter, so she immediately informed the mother cat.
Hi, Mom.
Oh my God! My child! Oh no! The helicopter crashed straight into the bushes and then exploded violently.
I'm very sorry.